As a home seller, marketing your house is one of the most crucial steps you can take to sell your house. But are you curious about the marketing strategies that work well? Hi, my name is Angelica Babins, and I believe that real estate isn't rocket science. Imagine this. You just got a new job in a different city and you don't plan on moving back here anytime soon. You now need to sell your house, so you hire a real estate agent and the home gets listed after all the formalities. But you aren't getting many buyers. Sounds frustrating, right? This is what mainly happens when you don't market your home properly. And that's why in this video, we are diving deep into the effective marketing strategies for selling your home so that you can sell your house faster. Stay tuned until the very end, as there is a bonus tip at the end waiting just for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting with number 5, leverage high quality photos and videos. According to NAR, 52% of home buyers search for their home online. Now imagine you're a buyer and you go and look into a list of houses. You come across 2 houses in your budget, one which has clear high quality photos and videos, and another has really low quality photos that aren't even clear. Which one would you prefer to buy? Chances are that you will prefer the former option because it not only shows off the house features of your house, but also shows you as a buyer that the seller is a genuine person. So the first thing you should keep in mind while you sell your home is, instead of taking photos from your phone, try to hire a professional photographer. Ask him to take good photos of all the angles and corners of your house, and also add a few videos. Drone shots and virtual tours are also going to add more depth to it. Virtual tours are even more engaging, and they let people who might want to buy the property look at it virtually from anywhere in the world. People can get a real sense of the property's layout, flow, and details from these walks, which can be 3D walkthroughs or interactive slideshows. These minor investments go a long way in your home sale and will make your home sell faster. Coming in at number 4, market your house on social media. As I said earlier, NAR says 52% of home buyers find their house through the internet. This number will increase more in the upcoming years as technology is taking over more rapidly. Platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram are some of the most popular social media sites as of today. And with their large user base, leveraging these can be of great benefit. For instance, I mentioned earlier that if you're a buyer, you would go and look for houses. But look where? That's right, social media platforms like these. Social media platforms are well optimized for mobile users and most of the younger population. Roughly 76% would search for their homes on their phones, which could be of greater help if your house is being targeted to a younger audience. This is why taking high quality photos was the first tip on this list. Both older and younger generations will be more likely to buy a house if it has good quality pictures and videos, along with good captions that make content shareable. You can also run ads on these social media platforms that are targeted towards buyers. Ads will boost visibility of your house and increase the chances of sale. Coming in at number 3, take advantage of email marketing and newsletters. Even in the age of social media, email, which is probably the earliest form of digital marketing, has stood the test of time. Now imagine you're someone looking for homes and you subscribe to a real estate newsletter that shows you listings around that area. Convenient, right? But email marketing comes with its biggest con: spam folders. If you don't follow certain best practices, I am afraid your newsletters will hit the spam folder straight and your hard work will be in vain. Add opt-in tools to your website and social media to grow your email list. Group people by location and interests to show them information that is more relevant to them. Pick an email tool and use it to make interesting newsletters with ads, market news, and tips. Come up with catchy subject lines and calls to action. Don't forget to make it mobile friendly and send it regularly. Remember, the point of marketing is to get a lot of leads, so you don't have to make cold calls. Send a branded email once a week with one main point and a clear subject line, Use catchy pre-header text and straight links to a landing page instead of the MLS to get people to click through. Don't get distracted by small things in email marketing. Moving on to number 2, collaborate with a real estate agent. The previous strategies are hard to implement, and frankly, not everyone has the resources to leverage these. This is why I strongly recommend working closely with a real estate agent, as their resources can help you leverage all the above mentioned strategies without much effort. A good agent will have a marketing plan that includes both old-fashioned and modern ways of advertising. Putting a sign in the yard and putting the house on the MLS are examples of traditional ways to sell a home. As part of a digital marketing, you might have great pictures and a virtual tour of the house online. They also know how to sell your home online and have the tools and social media reach to do so. Agents know what buyers want, how much a home is worth, and how neighborhoods are changing. This knowledge helps them put homes in the best places. Agents work with other professionals like mortgage brokers, home inspectors, and contractors, and build ties with them. Because of these connections, they can better sell properties and give clients a wide range of services. To show homes to people who might want to buy them, agents set up open houses and private showings. They talk about what makes the product special and answer customer questions. Last but not least, at number 1, highlight neighborhood amenities. I decided to save the most important tip for the last. Think to yourself, would you buy a house that's in the middle of nowhere? The answer is a straight no. If you highlight the neighborhood amenities, the selling of your house becomes a cakewalk. When you sell a home, you're not just selling the house itself, you're selling the whole way of life. Bringing attention to the neighborhood's unique traits is a powerful tool you can use. A big selling point is being close to good schools. When families have kids, they usually choose neighborhoods with good school choices. The quality of life is better when people can get to parks, trails, and other recreational places. It gives you a place to do things outside, work out, and rest. Convenience is important. It's great to be close to parks, shopping centers, and grocery stores. It's helpful to be close to big highways or public transportation like buses, trains, etc. These things make life better for the people who live there and also help the value of the home go up over time. Bonus tip. As promised, the bonus tip is to create an engaging listing description. To create an effective property listing description, start with a captivating opening, highlighting the property's unique selling points or desirable location. Highlight key features like bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, special features, and recent renovations. Highlight nearby amenities like top-rated schools, parks, shopping centers, and easy commutes via public transit. Highlight the lifestyle benefits of the neighborhood, such as a peaceful retreat, short commute, and friendly neighbors. End with an invitation to schedule a showing and contact for more details. Remember, clarity, consciousness, and enthusiasm are key. If you want to keep receiving real estate market updates about the city of San Diego, make sure to subscribe and follow me here and all my other socials. If you like this video and would like to see more videos, click on the boxes on the screen. Once again, my name is Angelica Babins. I am a real estate agent from San Diego, California, USA. And if you would like to work with me, my contact info is in the description box below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And remember, real estate isn't rocket science.